We're here at Great Plains Coliseum in Lawton, Oklahoma. OkMOM's a charity event that is put on by the Oklahoma Dental Association. It's really a collaborative effort from clinicians, dental assistants, the entire industry here in Oklahoma. In years past, they might have been able to take care of maybe 12, 16 patients throughout the whole event. We chose to use the TrueDent solution because it really has allowed us to expand the number of people we're able to help and serve and take care of at the event.
Yesterday, we took digital scans. Today, we're delivering those prostheses after patients have had either teeth extracted or came to us with few teeth or no teeth at all.
We print them all on the Stratasys J5. We're printing the dentures using the TrueDent resins. This year we did some like 76 prosthetics, a 24-hour period. So we're really blown away by that throughput and the amount of people we're able to help.
Immediately, you start to see them open themselves back up. You can see it in their eyes. They don't have anything to be embarrassed by. This is a way that some people go get a job. It's the first time they've had confidence to really feel that they could go out and present themselves in a manner that somebody might hire them.
My new TrueDent dentures is gonna make me feel better about myself, change my attitude. I felt so dull and I was depressed, but now I can smile again. This is so much better because it's comfortable. I feel assured about myself, and I'm happy about it.
I was excited about doing it because it was an opportunity to show that latest products, the latest technology can help them have a better experience, but it also helps us take care of more people. In this event, we don't have much time. It's really a narrow window that we have to see all the patients, get the records, and deliver the dentures, and that's why we choose to go with the TrueDent solution, because it's just streamlined and it's very fast.
The patients, they always keep a good spirit. We may get tired spending a couple days here, but the energy they fill us with makes it worth what we do.